Hey there, financial folks. If you're navigating the world of retirement savings, you might be wondering how to withdraw money from your Empower Retirement 401k account. Today, I'm breaking it down step by step in this quick guide, so you can handle it with ease and confidence. Whether you're retiring, facing a financial emergency, or just planning ahead, let's dive in. First off, before you make any moves, check your eligibility. Generally, you can withdraw without penalties at age 59 and a half, but there are exceptions like hardship withdrawals or if you're leaving your job. Always verify this on the Empower website or with a financial advisor to avoid surprises. Step 1. Log into your Empower Retirement account. Head over to their official website, enter your username and password, and make sure you're in a secure session. If you haven't logged in before, you'll need to set that up using your account details. Once you're in, navigate to the Accounts or Transactions section. Look for a tab labeled Withdrawals or Distributions. That's your gateway to the next steps. Step 2. Select the type of withdrawal that fits your needs. Options might include a one-time lump sum, regular payments, or even a rollover to an IRA. Take a moment to read the descriptions so you choose wisely. Step 3. Fill out the necessary forms. You'll need to enter details like the amount you want to withdraw, your bank account information for direct deposit, and any tax withholding preferences. Double-check for accuracy to prevent delays. Now, a quick word of caution. 401k withdrawals are taxable, and if you're under 59 and a half, you might face a 10% early withdrawal penalty. That's why it's crucial to think this through and consult a professional. Finally, review your request, submit it, and wait for confirmation. Processing usually takes a few business days, and you'll get updates via email or your account dashboard. There you have it. A straightforward way to access your Empower Retirement 401k funds. Remember, retirement planning is about your future, so make informed decisions. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-savvy tips. Thanks for watching, and take care.